Hey. Hey. Wait for it.
I'm just gonna drop her anyway. There's no point.
That's me. All my friends. I'm just gonna drop her.
Oh my god!
Are you ready for the first day of motherfucking school? No. That's me. It's a joke. We don't go to school anymore because
This guy's not okay. I'm gonna get you these for your fingernails.
What guy?
Is that a button? Sorry, the other day.
It really was.
You missed it. The other day I was asleep on my floor. I looked dead.
Dead.
With her phone. I had phone in one hand. My leg was up. I had a double chin. That's how good.
That's a mood. Where is Maddie? Are you okay, bro?
This could be a good, like,
aesthetic. Ooh. Ooh. Hi, welcome to my vlogs. No. Ooh.
I gotta see what she looks like.
Do you ever feel weird? Because you are. You're gonna make.
I like to intimidate the camera so the camera can't intimidate me.
Recording.
We vlogging. We're just vlogging. Clogging and vlogging. Clogging the toilet.
I can't do anything serious with her. Anyways. Hey, Disty bitch.
Hey.
That should be your YouTube name.
DJ Disty bitch.
Disty bitch.
That's real bad.
Only occasionally when you're not a vampire.
I enjoy the sunshine now since we haven't had any in fucking 5 years.
It was like 2 days, but it's good. I've been crying. Oh, vitamin D. Me too. Hey, look at those shadows. We look so
I don't need it.
bald.
Bald bitch.
We're bald. I don't know. I can't see shit.
Oh my god, it's so...
This is a get fuck up my whole world. Yeah. I don't know if that's a good shot, but we're gonna try. Ooh! Hit that note. Look, baby shroom. Little baby what? Oh! This is how you swing. Yeah. You're fucking fired from my phone.
What the fuck? I'm pissed.
What
What is that? It's
Ew, that's bird shit. So somehow Maddie got bird shit on her pants. This is good. This is good content.
fucking Linda!
Just like fucking Linda.
I know she did it.
Who's Linda? Linda. Linda the goose.
She left her fucking shit on my ass.
You forgot to wipe. You
Damn
got
it. I did it again.
Damn. Was the coconut. The bad news was the bird shit. I don't know where you're coming from. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and please go subscribe to my channel. I know I'm super late on posting this video and I wish I had an excuse for you, but I really don't. I've just been really unmotivated to do anything. So yeah. But I promise you guys I'll have a lot more videos up for you and so much more content, and I promise I'm gonna make my channel the best it could possibly be. But yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below what you think I should do next. Yeah, thanks for watching.